Best.
Yes, sir.
So many of them.
Other than the messy office, we had a shoot this morning, and we're having a shoot tomorrow morning.
Which one do you think this belongs to?
Bigger, cause bigger size.
I feel like it's collie. I see yellow. Yeah, it is bigger.
Yeah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
It's bigger, Ama. Oh, it's bigger helmet.
Best.
Yes, sir. Holy crap! Holy crap! Wow! Look inside. Actually, you can see.
Ooh,
This came
the visor.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh!
I see red color armor.
Oh my god, am I right?
You might be right. It's Collie.
Yes! I was right!
She's going to death.
Wow!
Wait. I take video. Okay, videoing. Action.
Oh, you could.
Okay, I'm going for scuba diving. Oh, lovely freaking piece of beautiful. Wow. Oh, that's gonna be our superstar. Wow. Wow, actually the red cantik sia. Yeah.
Wow!
Look at that. Holy crap, it works. Holy crap. Wow.
It's nice!
That's the truth. That looks amazing. Wow.
Oh, oh.
Wow, the good.
Yeah, stage 2, stage 3 evolution.
Wow.
Whoa.
I can see it. There we go.
Whoa!
Oh, that's
Okay.
Thank you so much, Ars.
Thank you, Ars. Thank you,
Yeah.
Ridwan. I know that I've been pushing
Seriously.
this super and Ars really deliver this
Yeah.
super fast.
And thank you, Ridwan, for making it possible. Wow. Very nice.
When does it have to end with your face?
Inside the main shoot.
I gotta go right to work, damn it!
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more. Thank you!